Hey, welcome to Cooking with Frankie and Meatball. Today, I'm going to make for you one of my favorite buffalo sauces. It's Pineapple Habanero.
Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
And you're about to get cooking
with Frankie Meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball on the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun.
I got some habanero puree. This, it's good. It has some chunks of habanero, a really strong habanero taste. I don't want to make the sauce fully with the habanero sauce because then it will be like too overpowering with the habanero. So I like just to make my buffalo sauce that I usually do with the Frank's Red Hot and add some habanero puree in it. Pineapples. How do you know if a pineapple is good and sweet? You smell the bottom. Woo! If you smell the bottom and it smells sweet, it's ready to go. So, hey, I'm the weirdo that you see at the supermarket with his nose to every pineapple. I pick a pineapple up. I don't want this one. I pick one up. I don't want this one. There's a lady over there going, "Oh, Henry, do you see what he's doing to the pineapple?" Yeah, I'm trying to see if it's fresh. And this one is fresh and sweet, baby. Hey, you get a knife. We'll cut this little thing off here. Boom. We don't need you, right? So what we'll do, cut the top off. First things first, you cut the top. All right? I love pineapple. Pineapple is one of my favorite fruits. Now, if you don't have one of these things, it's a pineapple cutter. I don't know what you call it. It's a thing with the blades. Go out and get it because this is a game changer when it comes to getting some pineapple. So this, you put this part around the core and put some pressure on it and turn. And turn. All right, just keep doing this and it's going to cut the pineapple really nice. Keep going around and around, round and around, round and around. You'll feel it when it gets to the bottom. Watch this. Wait until you see what I pull out. Wow, look at that. Juice is starting to come out. Just pour it over there in the top. Now turn it back a little bit. Forward, turn, boom. Now watch this. Hold it. Uh-oh, here it comes. Look at this. Is that a game changer or what? That is a game changer. Boom. Ah, there's your pineapple. You get that juice? Do not waste this juice. You can drink it, but I'm going to use it for the sauce. And this is, look at that, huh? Just cut it. We're going to chop this up nice and small because we're going to mash it with a potato masher when we get to the, you'll see. I'm telling you, forget about it, right? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Look at that. Nicey nice. But this, let's taste. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna get my bench scraper. Make this nice and easy for us. Scrape, boom. Make sure you got a potato masher handy, okay? So you got your pineapple in there, right? Oh, that I just thought of? Only if I had some coconut. But anyway, you got your pineapple in there, cup of sugar. I know, might be a little bit, but we're gonna make it nice and sweet and heat. Boom! That's what I like, sweet and heat, sweet and heat, sweet and heat. That's what I'm talking about. Now you need a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness, like chocolate. All right, I'm gonna go to the stove. You stay tight or come. It's your world. I'm just living in it over here. I'll see you on the other side. All right, we got our sugar in there, right? You get your potato masher, I say about a medium to high right now, but you're going to keep your eye on it. You don't want to put it too high. So keep it medium to high, but keep your eye, okay? But we want this to cook. We're going to start mashing it down. You got that pineapple juice in there, the cup of sugar, the pineapple, and you're going to need one of those little hand mixers that goes seasonings that I usually use, put in there. I do ground chipotle pepper, garlic powder, white pepper, cumin, onion powder, and some dark chili powder, okay? Now, Also, you remember the Frankie Meatball rub? So I usually just throw that in there, keep it cool, keep it simple, you know what I'm saying? But you can flavor this however you want. You don't have to put garlic, you don't have to put chipotle. If you just want to do something quick and easy, you can do some garlic, onion powder, salt, pepper. Boom. Keep it simple, you know what I'm saying? But you know, you don't want to overpower with too many seasonings, okay? Because it's not going to be all right. Keep it simple, you know what I'm saying? You know my Frankie Meatball rub? Boom, we're going to throw some of that in there because it has all this stuff in it. I might keep it simple, but I'm just letting you know what you can put in it. Okay, let's check it out. See what we're doing here. All right, we're still going to, oh look, it's starting to get soft now. We're going to, so you're not going to put any seasonings in it yet. We're going to let this cook and boil and get some really nice flavor to this pineapple before we start adding everything else. Also, half a stick of butter is what it calls for. What I call it for, but if you want to go a little more butter, go a little more butter, but start out with a half a stick, okay? You know what buffalo sauce is supposed to look like, so you want to just add your sauce in, taste, add taste, add taste. Then with the habanero, it's up to you how hot you want that habanero to come through and that taste. I mean, you gotta have it. Also, if you want to do some bourbon really bang, kicks it up a notch, but I don't feel like knocking on the bourbon cowboy's door, you know. But hey, can I borrow some bourbon? What are you doing? I'm making some buffalo sauce. My hand mixer is not reaching the stove, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put it down right here. Smoothing it out. Look how smooth that is. It's all pineapple. Oh yeah, it reduced really good. Okay, what we're gonna do is lower it to a medium slash a little bit on the low side. Okay, we are going to drop our butter, half a stick. I cut it up a little bit so it melts. You get your Frankie Meatball rub or whatever you season it with. Or put a nice covering on it. You know what I mean? Keep a spoon around because you're going to taste as you go. I'm going to hit it with some salt because I don't put a lot of salt in my rub. Okay, we lowered it now, it's on a low flame. I'm gonna put my habanero puree in it. Now you get your hot sauce. Pour some in. Now note that the habanero puree or habanero sauce is optional. You don't have to do that. I mean, I didn't do it when we went camping. That sauce, his name, I forgot about it. It was great. But, I mean, habanero, you know what I mean? So I'm going to put a little more sauce in it. Now, if it's too tangy, throw some more butter in it. That's what I do. That's where I want it. So you'll taste it. You'll taste it. The reason why I put more hot sauce in it, because it wasn't a buffalo flavor yet. Now I got my buffalo flavor. I got my flavor to where I want it. I mean, you could do this. You could do this a bunch of different ways. I mean, that's why I say taste as you go, because you might want it with a little bit of hot sauce, more habanero, or no habanero. You put the sauce in. See, because I could say, hey, this isn't hot, and give it to somebody else, and somebody else will be like, oh my God, I'm dying. You know what I'm saying? So this is perfect where I want it. It's not too hot. It's not too sweet. It's not too habanero. It's where I want it. So taste as you go, because I can't really give you measurements because my taste buds are different than yours. I like it, but good enough hot with a good enough sweet. And together, boom, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go cook some wings up. I'm gonna let this simmer up. I'll see you on the other side. They're almost done. 1, 2, 3, all right, they're done. Get away. So I fried up some wings, right? Because this This is going to be something you're going to love, okay? You can cook your wings any way you want, but today I'm frying them, okay? So I got some wings over here fried up. Oh, you're going to love this. I'm going to come over and grab our sauce. Put a little sauce up there. Just remember, with buffalo sauce, a little goes a long way. You know what I'm saying? So we're just going to come over here. We're going to shake them, flip them, and get them all sauced up. You know what I'm saying? All sauced up. We fried them. We made the sauce. We sauced them. We plated them. Now, know what I'm going to do? This is the part where I'm going to say, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification button to get notified every Wednesday when I put out a new video. Sometimes Thursday, depends how the week goes. You know what I'm saying, guys? But anyway, again, email me and I'll send you some Frankie Meatball all-purpose seasoning, guys. I'm telling you guys, this is something that you're going to love. Check us out on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok. Also, guys, check out my guys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything from the forefathers to the band Mother of Rock. And I'm going to tell you what, before I let you go, this is a recipe that you're going to love, and it was a request from my man, Damian Montecarlo. Check out the band Montecarlo. He's the one who written this song that you're listening to now. He's an amazing musician, has a band with amazing musicians. Guys, I gotta go. Have a cigarette. Have a cigarette. No, have a sticker. No cigarettes. Have a sticker. Everybody's going crazy. Until next time. Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball.